Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about molecular docking with the help of PyRx. The docking in PyRx involves four key critical steps. The four key critical steps are the protein retrivations, protein preparations, ligand retrivation and docking. Each steps are necessary to follow during molecular docking in PyRx. Let's start it with the step 1 protein retrivations. In protein retrivations, we have go to Google and search RCSB PDB. Then we have to put our relevant targeted proteins. Like in this study, I want to target alpha amylase. So I search alpha amylase in the search bar and hit enter. Then I select this protein 1B2I. This is the PDB ID which is necessary to put in the manuscript. So there is the key things you have to note it over here. The organism. This is the Homo sapiens organism. The enzymes, the proteins is derived from the Homo sapiens. So I am targeting the human protein. So I am taking Homo sapiens. So here we have to download the legacy PDB format file and it downloaded. Then it open in Drug Discovery Studio. After the opening of this protein, you may see there is different types of chains, water and head items are there. So we have to remove the water, head atom and the ligand attached to the proteins. So how you will delete or remove these items? By clicking the respected portions. Like here, I select water molecules and select key in keyboard delete. Then select head item and click delete. So you can see all the head items, ligand group and water molecules are removed. So now we have to add some polar hydrogen atom. So now I have added polar hydrogen atom and save and name it as P1B2Y in PDB format. Then close it. Then we have to open Chimera X app for further preparation of the protein. So you have to select file, open, then your prepared protein from Drug Discovery Studio. You have to open this here. See, I open it. Then you have to select tools, then structure editing, then drop pen and select OK. Then select and they'll pop up some option, then select OK and it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Done. So now your protein is prepared. All the charges are added, all the solvents groups are deleted. If any missing amino acid or missing chains are present, that also fixed over here. Now we have to save this as .pdb because we have to dock in next cell. So we have to search where is the PDB. Here is a PDB and save as final prep to 1b to y and hit save. So now you have completed the step 1 and step 2. Now it's come to ligand retrivations. Ligand retrivation, what do you mean by ligand retrivations? It's mean we have to download the ligand from the PubChem database. Here I am taking isoquercetin as a ligand. So I click cover the isoquercetin ligand, then download the 3D SDF file. See, it download. Then these steps also done. Ligand retrievation. Next step is the final docking step. First of all, open the PyRx tool where we will going to run our docking. PyRx is the free software. Anybody can download from the website. So here, first of all, we are load the molecules or our target protein, that is final prep 1b2y. Then click open. After open, it select right click and go to the autodock. Then select make micromolecules. It will take 1 second or 2 seconds. So your protein is converted to micromolecule and PDB-QT format. Now we have to go control sections and select open bubble and input our ligand. In my case, I am taking isoquercetin. Select open. Then we have to prepare our ligand by selecting minimize all. Then convert all to autodock PDB-QT. So here in this case, I took one ligand. But if you want to take more than one, you can. Okay. Then we have to go to the Vina wizard in the same control sections. Then select over here the macromolecules. Select here the final prep PDB-QT and here ligand section. Here you have to select ligand 5280804 and the final prep protein. Then here we have to click start. Select the protein. Then select forward and here we have to plot our XYZ coordinate. For my case, I am taking a random XYZ coordinates. But if you want to dock against a specific site, then you can adjust them by clicking this the ball and you can change its coordinates. Here is the XYZ coordinates. I want to dock at specific site. So then click forward. After click forward, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to dock your ligand against the protein. So my docking is over and here you can see my obtained docking score is minus 5.8. In the autodock section, you can go to over here and select the ligand dock PDB-QT and click display. It will show here 7 different model of binding site against the binding site. Deselect all and only select your model 1 and the final prep protein and save as PDB. The pose of the ligand will save and name it as C1 dock. So this is your dock ligand and you can download here the docking table. Here name it as a docking table and save it. Then close it. Now open the docking folder. Here you can see the different binding affinity of your ligand. The binding affinity having low 0 RMSD, should select this for the publications. So Next step is how you can visualize our docking interactions. So for that, we have to open our final prep PI final protein in the drug discovery studio. Then we have to open our docked ligand compound which has been obtained after the docking from the Pyrex. Then select and copy and paste over here. You can see this is the protein and this is the docked C1 dog. Then you can select direct show 2D diagram over here. You can visualize all the interaction of ligand with the amino acid. You can see this is the strong interaction. Hydrogen bond denotes. This is the green color. Hydrogen bond denotes green color. And other than hydrogen bond denotes pink or red or blue color. So this is all about molecular docking with the help of PyRx.